Good afternoon, good morning, whatever time of day it is. Hoping you have a good day. Right now, what we are looking at is graphing quadratic inequalities to see what they look like. And the first example I'm giving you guys is y is less than x squared plus 6x plus 2. And I want to find out all the solutions to make this inequality true. So in order to do that, the first thing that we're going to do is graph the function. So I'm going to graph x squared plus 6x plus 2 and graph it on the graph paper that you guys have in front of you. So I know the vertex is at -3, -7. So I'm going to plot that point at -3, -7. And then the next one is at -4, -6. And then I got one at -1, -3. And then I got one at 0, 2. I'm just doing the reflection because remember we have a quadratic that has an axis of symmetry right down the middle. So I'm just reflecting each point evenly across the graph. Now I'm going to connect the dots. There's two ways I can do that. I can do a solid line or a dashed line. I'm going to do a dashed line because my inequality is just less than. So I'm going to do a dashed curve. Okay, and now we move on to the next step. I want to find all the solutions that make that inequality true. Now, in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug a point into the inequality to see if it makes it true. It has to be not on the parabola. So, like, just say hypothetically, I'm just going to choose point -3, 0. It's not on the parabola, so let's just see what happens. And I want to see when I plug -3, 0 into this inequality, is that a solution to this inequality? Is it going to make it true? So I'm going to put 0 in place of y. Then I have -3 squared plus 6 times -3 plus 2. So I have 0. I got 9 minus 18 plus 2. Well, is 0, why am I using that inequality? Should just be less than, huh? Is 9 minus 18 is -9 plus 2 is -7. All right, is -7 bigger than 0? No. No. So what do I do next? Well, I'm going to shade because when I chose the point -3, 0, and I got this inequality statement 0 is less than -7. Because that's not true, I'm going to shade the other side of the parabola. See, it's -3, 0 is right here, and because it didn't make it true, I know anything inside the parabola will not make it true. I can choose any other point, and it's not going to make it true. But if I choose something on the outside, it's going to make it true. So what I'm going to do is just shade the outside part of my parabola. Okay. Now let's just try one more. So I have y is less than or equal to -x squared plus 6x minus 7. I'm going to graph the quadratic first. So I got -x squared plus 6x minus 7. I know it has a y-intercept at 0, -7. My axis of symmetry is at +3. And my vertex is at 3, 2. I have a point at 2, 1. And I also have a point at 1, 1, -2. Okay. So I'm just reflecting the points over. I'm going to connect the dot because this time it's equal to. So this is what my curve looks like. So now I'm going to choose a point that's not on my parabola. So I'm going to choose 0, 0 because it's not on my parabola. And just see what happens when I do that. So if I do 0 in place of y, -0 squared plus 6 times 0 minus 7. I get 0 is less than or equal to -7. Is that true? Is -7 bigger than 0? Nope. So that means because when I chose 0, 0, and I got the inequality 0 is less than or equal to -7, 0, 0 is right here, so that means nothing on the outside is true, so I would have to shade everything inside. I'm going to ask you guys to try the next one, and I will talk to you later.